Hello everyone and welcome to a new live. So I am currently in a paper trade and I thought, well, this is a nice moment to go live. I haven't looked at my paper trade in a while, and a while is a few minutes. So I'm just going to see what it's doing. Let's see. Oh my god, I'm making €3. I don't know if you can see it. Is my face? Oh, my face is in front of the chart, of course. Whoop. I'll make the chart a bit bigger. Hopla. Look, there is my trade. Now, it isn't the most perfect trade I've ever seen. As you can see, the first one, I already got stopped out before I even started because, I don't know, I like TradingView, it does the stop loss and the take profit. Sometimes it does it automatically and you just need to change it. But I didn't change it and I just did like buy. And then I did buy and then poop, cancel order, something like that. Like, yeah, stop loss order was executed. So I got stopped out immediately because the automatic like set stop loss was like a few cents. Yeah. So then I did a buy order again, so that's why you see two arrows right there. And now I'm in the trade again, so we'll see what happens. I'm risking €20 for €40, and it's not the most perfect setup, okay? I just saw that it broke this trend line, so I'll just show you a bit more of the bigger picture. Wait, let me just go to the 1 hour. That's a little bit less cluttered. So overall, it was a big uptrend, and I don't know if you saw my live yesterday evening. I was looking at this, and I thought, oh wow, that's beautiful. It goes like boop, bidoop, bidoop, and it really respects this trend line, and it just goes up. And yesterday evening it was around like here, and I thought, okay, I kind of want to buy because I expected to make another beautiful like boop like this, but as you can see it didn't, and I'm happy I didn't bought it. Even though I'm paper trading, I am like treating this account as if it is my real money, because then when I trade with my real money, I feel a bit more confident because I've paper traded with this mindset that it's my real money. So I'm happy that I didn't do a buy order here, because this morning I woke up and I looked, and then I saw like bam, it just went down like that with big red candles. So then it started to create another high. That was today, yeah, around like 4. It had created a new high, so I drew a little trend line, and then I saw, I think, yeah, as you can see, it broke this with a little bit. It isn't the most perfect setup, okay? I just wanted to be in a trade. Okay, so it broke this downward trend line, and I think I looked at the 1 hour. No, I'm not sure. I just saw it broke the trend line and it went up, and I wanted to buy. So that's what I did. And now I'm in a trade and I'm losing I'm making 99 cents. Almost €1. Well, we'll see what happens. Let's see if there are people in the live stream. Is this your first paper trade? No. It's not my first. I'll just show you my paper trade history. So right now I'm in this trade. I think it's under account history, right? Yeah. So the first paper trade here, I made €31, almost €32. And I was really happy about it because that was when I was still looking at supply and demand zones, because I watched the video and I wanted to implement it and kind of see how it works in like real trading. So I saw a demand zone and price just went up, and I expected it to go down to the demand zone. So like at the moment I got confirmation that it was going down again, I did a sell order and I made €31.96. Oh, baby is still not asleep. She's having a bit of difficulties falling asleep. Oh, she's tired. Okay, anyway, so that was my first paper trade. It was profitable. I was really happy. Oh no, my first paper trade was a stupid trade. That I think it was on another, it was on another paper trading account. But then after that stupid paper trade, I thought, okay, I'm just going to start with €500 because that other account was with €100,000. And so yeah, now I have one that's a bit more realistic, even with the transaction costs. So yeah, I made this. Then the second trade, I made €40. So then I had like 560 euros. 560 euros plus, like, no, 60 euros plus. And then I made a losing trade yesterday, I think. Yeah, right here, minus 15 euros. It was a stupid trade. And right now I'm in this trade again. So we'll see. I think right now I'm losing money. Let's see what happens. Yep, I'm losing 35 cents. Okay. Bravo, thank you. Thanks. So yeah, for the first two trades I was really proud, and I got so motivated, like, oh my god, if I actually take the time to learn this skill, it's so cool because I can make money while I'm cleaning, while I'm playing with my baby, reading a book, and it's just really cool. Because I just placed a trade like at the beginning of the day, and then at the end of the day I took my profits, and it was really cool. Like, the concept of trading is so cool, but of course you need to, like, there's a steep learning curve. It's not easy, and I need to practice a lot more, like just one trade every 2 days. It's possible, but I want to practice a lot more with my paper trading. Oh, we're making money again. Oh, it went from €3 to 1. Wow, okay. Imagine with like bigger amounts of money. That's a bit stressful. Like, you see plus 20, minus 15, I don't know. Or even worse, like bigger amounts, plus 500, and then in a few seconds minus 300. Whoa. Yeah, but we'll see. I mean, this is cool. I think it's good. I think it's a good trade, right? We crossed this trend line and it's still kind of going up like this. There's not a big red candle or something, so we're still good. I like it. Do you also do long-term stock investments? No, my husband, he really likes long-term investments, and I was invested in Tesla. So I had a lot of money in Tesla, but then we bought the house, and I just sold everything from Tesla with the profit, and just to contribute as well to the house, I used that as my contribution for like buying the house. So yeah, right now I'm not in a long-term investment thing, but I want to like as I'm going to make money, because right now I don't have an income. I'm a housewife, I'm a stay-at-home mom. So as I'm going to make money, hopefully with trading, that's the biggest goal. Then, like, as I get better in this, then I can just do it in the S&P 500, something like that. I think that's a good thing to do. So yeah, that's the plan for the long term. Just to do like a part of my profits, a big part of my profits in the S&P 500. Because I also, yeah, I was in Tesla and S&P 500. And Tesla, it went up, 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 and then it went down again, and I sold it when we bought the house. But S&P 500, that was the one that really kept just growing and growing. So I really like the S&P. I think there are also people that day trade the indexes, like, do they day trade S&P 500? Is that a thing? I know Nasdaq 100 is something that people day trade a lot, I think. Yeah, yeah. Tesla is boosting again. Oh, that's possible. Let's see. Tesla. Oh, oh, there it is. Oh, I'm making €9. I just saw it like very quickly. €9. That's cool. Oh, wow. Tesla is going up. Oh, that's cool. I like Tesla. The cars are really pretty. But that's the thing now with stocks, because now that I'm looking at like gold and Forex, the charts are really like clean. And with stocks you have these big gaps, because I think that's the end of the session, and then yeah, that's the end, and then it starts again, and you have this big gap. Like, what if you're in a trade right here and then poof, it starts right there? That's a pretty big gap. Is baby okay? Nice. Homework check. You noted order flow. Have you checked it already? No. No, that's really good that you that you checked that. No, I haven't checked it already. I watched videos from Tory Trades about trend lines. Like, there are so many things that just came to my that just came to me these past 2 weeks. Like trend lines, smart money concepts, ICT, and yeah, and then of course order flow. But I wrote it down. I wrote it down in my notebook, but I haven't really looked at it yet because yeah, I was distracted with the trend lines. But let's just see. Am I going to learn it with ChatGPT? I really like ChatGPT. Oh yeah, I saw someone who was trading 6.5 lots of gold on YouTube, like in a short. And I was like, how much is 6.5 lots? And apparently he's trading with 1.56 million. He's day trading with, that's crazy. If that's true, like 6.5 lots is 1.56 million. Damn, that's a lot. Depends on your leverage. Oh yeah, oh yes. Okay, wow. But anyway, let's just see what ChatGPT says, because ChatGPT is amazing trading. Look at this, it's beautiful. Order flow trading is a trading approach that focuses on watching and interpreting real-time buying and selling activity in the market. Basically seeing who's in control, buyers or sellers, and reacting accordingly. Instead of relying only on charts, indicators or patterns, order flow traders try to see the intentions of other traders by analyzing how orders are coming into the market, where the liquidity is, and how price reacts to it. In simple terms, order flow trading is like watching a poker game with the cards face up. You're not guessing based on the past, you're watching what players are doing right now. So you don't look at trends at all. You don't look at like the direction of the market. Key concepts in order flow trading. Let me just do the live right here, because then I can see the chat while I'm reading. Do you know what market order is and limit order? Yes, I know. And here I did a market order in this one. Oh, I'm making 15 euros. Wow. That's cool. I'm making money with gold. But yes, market order is like the price right now. And limit order is you say at which price exactly you want to buy. So market order is just what price the market is giving you right now, and you just accept it. And that's what I did here. So I just accepted, like, okay, I want to buy. I want to get in. I'm making 16 euros. That's cool. Do you remember I lost 15 euros yesterday? I can just take the profits, and no, I'm going to let it, like, let the trade do what it wants to do. I can maybe trill my stop loss. I don't want it to be too close, because what if, but like this, you know, reducing what I can lose. Now it's 5 euros. I'm risking 5 euros for 40 euros, and it's steadily going there. This would be so cool if this was real money. Oh wow. And next question, what pushes price go up? Well, in my beginner understanding, price goes up when there's a lot of demand, of course, duh. And when there's a lot of demand, there are a lot of buy orders. So in my beginner understanding, even though I've seen someone say in the live chat that orders don't move price, but in my understanding, where there are big amounts of orders, that's when you see like a big spike. What do you mean demands? Well, there are areas on the charts where naturally people are more prone to buy or to sell. Like at support levels, trend lines, around those areas there's or more supply or more demand. And yeah, so with demand I mean that people want to buy. That's what I mean with demand. That there's a demand for, like, people want to buy at that price. They think it's a good price to buy at that price. Let me know if I'm talking bullshit. Still making 16 euros. And we made a higher high. That's good as well, right? This is the 5-minute time frame. Let's see what it does on the 15 minutes. There's also a higher high. Well, compared to this high. It still needs to break this high. But it's cool. I like it. I'm kind of happy with this trade. In simple words, buy market order eats the sell limit order, and if the limit order is eaten out in one price, then the price goes up. Yeah, because for every buy market order, you need someone who sells. So every buy market order eats the sell limit order, and if the limit order is eaten out in one price, then the price goes up. I don't understand. No, you said in simple words, but I don't understand. Well, that's bullshit. Amer, what do you mean? Do you mean my explanation of like demand or the simple words of LL? Because I don't understand the simple words. Buy market order eats the sell limit order. If the limit order is eaten out in one price, then the price goes up. Heh? Market order always matches with limit order. No, his comment. Okay, market order always matches with limit order. Or her. Yeah, we don't know. Etje. Maybe she wants a bit more milk. Baby's still not sleeping. Now I'm making 9 euros again. I could have taken the profits of 18 euros. And then I would have made like the 15 euros that I lost yesterday. I would have made it all back. Let's see, what does it do on the 5 minutes? Huh. Well, we'll see. I hope it doesn't reach for my stop loss. Maybe I need to do it like on the place it was before. Huh. Modify. Baby. How old is she? Oh, she's not 1 year old. Like, she's still very young. Still under 1. Oh. Oh, it's going down. Oh no. I could have just taken the 18 euro profit. Well, I think I'm going to go to baby. We'll see how this trade plays out. I'm just going to do like a little update once I'm out of this trade. Because for me, like of course, I think eventually you just take trades and it's just a normal part of life. But for me right now, every single trade is very special. And I'm really curious what happens. So I'll do a little update once I'm out of this trade. Let's see if it's going to be a loss or a win. And I'm going to go to baby because, no, she's still awake. I'm going to help her get to sleep. Get out? Okay. I'll just move my stop loss. Like, whoop. Like this. You see 2 euros, 2. Wait. 2. No, plus 2. 2. Like that, and then it's going to be break even. Why does it say minus 2? I want it plus 2. Oh, no. Plus 2. No. My. Okay, perfect. So we'll see what happens. If I get stopped out, then it's okay, it's break even. It will be hit. Okay, we'll see. We'll see. Well, if it gets hit, then that's okay. Okay, well, I'm going to go to baby because she kind of needs me. And I will see you in the next live. Thank you for all the advice and the tips, and I will see you later. Okay, bye bye.